Uh, Welcome back in classroom of Mentor School. We are going to start exercise 2, question number 3. Book D1 syllabus, Cambridge curriculum. And here today we are going to study about the direct and inverse proportion. At the moment, we are just going to study about the directly proportional. And in question number 3 is saying that if Q is directly proportional to P, if Q is directly proportional to P, then Q is equal to KP, and where K is the constant. Right? So here what we do that in the question he is saying that if P is 4 and Q is 28, P is 4 and Q is 28, so we will put the values here. Q is equal to KP. Q28 is equal to K into 4. So 28 over 4 is equal to K. So then the value of the K is 7. So we can write it as that Q is equal to 7P. Right? So we write here as a 7P. So this is the equation connecting. Equation connecting Q and P, right? Now he is saying this is also called as the law of a law connecting P and Q. Okay, and sometimes we say that this is the equation connecting P and Q. Now he is saying the value of the Q when P is 5. When P is 5, we have to find the value of the Q. So here what happens that we write again this equation Q is equal to 7P. We write this equation and we just substitute the values. Q is equal to 7 into 5. So we write it as 7 is 35. This is the part B. This is the part A. Now, part C. What he is saying in the part C, he is saying that find the value of P when Q is 42. So again, we write the same equation that is connecting Q and P, and that equation is Q is equal to 7P. So Q is 42 and 7 into P. We are going to find the value of the P. So what we'll do, we'll divide 42 by 7. So it is 7 6 are 42. We can write it as P is equal to 6. Now we are going to solve question number 4. In question number 4, we have question number 4 is saying that if y is directly proportional to x. In question number 4, if y is directly proportional to x, then when we write sign of proportion into is equal sign, we write y is equal to kx. Right? So here k is as the constant. K is the constant. Now he is saying that find if y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 2, we have to find the value of the k first, then we will find the value of the y again. Okay, so when it is here, we will find the value of the k first. Okay, so y 5, k we have to find, x 2, so 5 over 2 is equal to k, 2.5 is equal to k. This is the value of the k. Now again in question he is saying that y is equal to, we have to find the value of the y when x is 7. X is 7 and we have to find the value of the y. So write again same equation, that is y is equal to kx. Here we'll just, as we are going to find the value of the y, value of the k is 2.5 and the value of the x is 7. Right? So when we multiply 2.5 by 7, so it is 17.5. Right? This is the answer, that is 17.5. This is the value of the y. Now, in question number 5, he is saying it is the same as the question number 4, but I'm going to solve the question number 6, not the 5, because you people can solve question number 5 by yourself, because the question number 4 and 5 are same. So in question number 6, although question number 6 is also same, but I'm going to solve this for you people only. Question number 6. In question number 6, we say that if b is directly proportional to a, if b is directly proportional to a, if b is directly proportional to a, then and b is equal to 3, a is equal to, so we write it as b is equal to ka, right? So if b is, he is saying that find the value of the b, but first we will find the value of the constant k, then we can find the value of any of the variable a and b when the one of the variable value is given also. So here b3 and a is 8, b is equal to 3 and a is equal to 8. So b is equal to ka, 3 is equal to k into 8. So 3 over 8 is the value of the k. So this is 18, not 8. If this is 18, so 3 6 are 18, so we can write it as the value of k is 1 over 6. Right? We got this. This is not the answer. Now, again, when b is equal to ka and a is 24, we have to find the b when a is 24. Right? This again we will apply the same connecting law or the formula, that is b is equal to ka. Right? So here we are going to find the value of the b. So the value of the k is 1/6 and the value of the a is 24. So we'll just cancel them. So the value of the b is 4. This is the question number 6, right? I hope you will have understand the question number 4 and 6. Now I'm going to solve the question number 7 part 1. In question number 7 part 1, here the table is given and we have to find the missing values of this table, right? Friends, please to carry on, okay? Until you people are not going to finish your lesson. Are you finish your work? So here is the table x and y. So 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, and 7. This is x, this is y. Here 15. Here 15. This is 15 and 24 and 34.5. So what we will do here, that if he is saying that given that x is directly proportional, the y is directly proportional. Y is directly proportional to x, so we write it as y is equal to kx. So here again it is same as other questions, that we will just substitute the values of the x and y to find the value of the k. So this is the formula here. Kx is equal to y. So y is 15 k into 5. So 15 over 5 is equal to k. So k is equal to 3. This is the proportional constant. The k is called as a proportional constant. Now y is equal to kx. So y is equal to 3, and what is the value of that cell is 4. So right here y is equal to 12. So this is the first value we have found. This is 12. Right? So in the next question, he is asking that y is equal to kx. The value of the k is 3, and here the value of x is 7. So y is equal to 3 into 7. So y is equal to 21. We have just substitute the values of the x and y given, and also substitute the value of the k which we have find here from the connecting equation. So here this is 21. Right? So for the next question, 24, it is very easy. For the 24, we again write the y is equal to kx. So for the kx, we have the value of y is 24, value of the k is 3, and we have to find the value of the x as well. So 24 over 3 is equal to x. So a is equal to x. So here we write 8. And in question, in the next question, 34.5. So we will write here 8. Sorry, we have to write here. For 34.5, it is same as for 24. 34.5. Please keep silent. Would you people keep silent, please?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to 3x. 34.5 is equal to 3 into x. So what we'll do here, 34.5 over 3 is equal to x, and 11.5 is equal to x. So 11.5, these are 34.5. So we write here 11.5. So in this way, we will solve the question number 7, part A and B. Right? Question number 7, part B. I hope that you students will solve the question number B and C by yourself. This is the end of the lesson for today, and I hope that you people will understand and solve all these questions. Okay, I hope, and inshallah ta'ala, in the next lecture, in the next lesson, we will solve question number 8, 9 and 10 as well. Thank you so much, boys. Allah Hafiz.